Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Desiree, but I go by the Motley Girl on social media, and I'm just going to jump right into this video because as you can see, it is time for a haircut. The hair is looking absolutely crazy. Now normally when I've tried to record, cutting my hair, it never works out. Either the angle is wrong, or there was a time that I did my whole haircut and thought I was recording, was not recording. So wish me luck. I also want to start by saying, disclaimer, I am not a professional. I'm just someone who got tired of driving 50 miles to go to a barbershop to get her haircut. I feel like 95% of the time I do it, it turns out okay. Today I'm doing it a little bit different. Normally I taper it on the sides and also take the top down, but I like the top a little bit longer like it is now. So I'm gonna try to take the sides down and kind of sort of blend it. So wish me luck. I'm also gonna switch to voiceover because I still get very nervous when I cut my hair, so I need to concentrate 100%. So let's go. Okay, so to start, I grabbed my Magic Wall clippers. Now, I normally start with a 4-guard, but I could not find my 4-guard, so I decided to go in with my 3. When I start, I like to go from front to back. Now, like I said in the intro, I am not a professional, so I really don't notice the difference in going front to back versus back to front. If you are a professional, drop it below in the comments and let me know what the difference is. But for some reason, going front to back is just more comfortable for me. So I like to start down on the sides first and then going around the ear and just bringing it down because, like I said, I do like a tapered cut. And like I said again in the intro, I am doing something a little bit more different this time because I'm keeping the top a little bit longer. I usually kind of sort of keep the top maybe like an inch or two longer than the back and the sides, but I like my top at this length right here. So it's got maybe like a good 4 inches at the top here. So as I'm going in and I'm going around the ear, but when I do go around the ear, I kind of sort of go in an upward motion. I feel like I get a closer cut that way. Also, when I'm cutting my hair, I'm always constantly touching because I feel like it's more of a feel for me. I know what my hair feels like when it's as low as I want it, if that makes sense to you guys. Again, here, just checking everything to see how it feels. Now I'm switching to the 2-guard just to take it down more, a little bit shorter. Again, I don't like it too short. I also don't really, tighten up the back too much because, in my opinion, it's just too much work for me. It's a lot to manage, and because my hair grows so fast, I probably would have to maintain it maybe like once a week, and guess what? I ain't got that kind of time. So I'm just tapering it a little bit more, and this is what I like to call, where I kind of sort of blend all the length together here. So I'm not taking it down too much, just again slightly. Now I'm just taking a little bit off the top because just to, neaten it up some, just to take it down a little bit off the top so it's not so froed out. Once I do this here, you're also going to see me get ready to switch over to take the clipper, the blade off. And now this is like the buzz part. I don't even know what this part of the clipper is called. And then I just go in and tighten up around the edges just a little bit to, shape it up, make it look a little bit more crisp and sharp. And then I also take that same, edge, whatever that's called, and then go around the whole entire head just to make it really, really sharp and crisp. Like you see me here taking it down just a little bit on the top. I'm always extra super careful because that is the buzz part of the clipper, and one false move and guess what? Say goodbye to your hair. And that's really it. It only took me about maybe 10-15 minutes tops. To be honest with you guys, I'm really not super precise with my cut because, to be honest, it really doesn't matter that to me. If I mess up, it is what it is. It's hair. I just want to cut low on the sides and the back. It's super hot here in New York. It's also hot as hell here in my bathroom. Don't know if you can tell, but during the video, I was starting to sweat because I don't have a fan in my bathroom or an exhaust situation. So it is like a sauna up in here. But I want you guys to make sure that you come back so you can see how I style my hair because I'm getting ready to hop in the shower, rinse all this hair off of me. So again, make sure you come back so you can see how I styled my hair. And remember to like, share, subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.